In the enchanting world of avian wonders, there is a little bird that often goes unnoticed, despite its charismatic charm and acrobatic flair. Meet Sitta europaea, the Eurasian nuthatch, a dainty and dynamic bird that adds an element of joy to any forest it inhabits. Sitta europaea is one of the most delightful and unique songbirds you'll encounter in Europe, and as we delve into its fascinating life, you'll discover why this little gem deserves a spotlight. The Eurasian nuthatch is a small but distinct bird with a remarkable appearance. This bird is easily recognizable by its striking blue-gray plumage on its upper body and a vivid burnt orange underside. The contrast between these colors is both striking and beautiful, giving it a unique and eye-catching appearance. Additionally, the Eurasian nuthatch features a black stripe that runs through its eye, resembling an avian mask and a white throat. Its compact size and sturdy build make it a robust and agile forest dweller. One of the most captivating behaviors of the Eurasian nuthatch is its incredible acrobatics. This bird has a knack for walking down tree trunks head first, a feat few other birds can accomplish. Its strong legs and sharp claws enable it to grasp onto bark, while its specialized foot structure with a strong hind toe gives it an advantage in this unusual vertical world. As it travels along the tree's surface, the Eurasian nuthatch is known to use its powerful beak to tap on the bark, searching for insects hiding beneath. This tapping, along with their characteristic twee-twee-twee calls, often gives away their presence in the woods, adding an auditory dimension to their charm. Nuthatches are also well known for their feeding habits. They're primarily insectivorous, feasting on a variety of arthropods and small invertebrates, and they have a knack for storing food. In autumn, they hoard seeds and nuts, hiding them away in tree crevices or even behind loose bark. These hidden caches serve as a vital food source during the harsh winter months when insects are scarce. The Eurasian nuthatch is a monogamous bird, forming strong and lasting bonds with its mate. During the breeding season, pairs work together to find or excavate a nest hole, usually in a tree cavity. Nuthatches are often known for their creativity and adaptability when it comes to nesting. They can use natural hollows, old woodpecker holes, or even sometimes human-made bird boxes. Once the nest is established, the female typically lays a clutch of around 6 to 9 eggs. The eggs are white with tiny reddish-brown speckles. Both parents take turns incubating the eggs and feeding the hatchlings when they arrive. Nuthatch chicks are helpless upon hatching, and their parents diligently care for them, providing a nourishing diet of insects and tender care. After a few weeks, the young nuthatches fledge from the nest, but they continue to rely on their parents for nourishment. The family unit remains tight-knit and may even assist each other in finding food throughout the autumn and into the winter. What makes the Eurasian nuthatch even more intriguing is its presence throughout the year. In summer, they bring life to woodlands with their vibrant plumage and energetic foraging. As the colder months descend, these little birds don't migrate. They remain resilient year-round residents, making them a delight for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts in every season. Winter can be a challenging time for any bird, but the Eurasian nuthatch manages to thrive by utilizing its stored food caches and resilient nature. In the cold, when other birds might retreat to warmer climes, the nuthatch continues to explore its vertical realm, bringing a touch of color and vitality to frost-covered branches. The Eurasian nuthatch may not have the most melodic song in the avian kingdom, but its calls are an integral part of the forest's auditory tapestry. Their vocalizations often consist of a repetitive twee-twee-twee sound that resonates through the woods. These calls serve both as territorial markers and as a means of communication between mated pairs. Their voices contribute to the living heartbeat of the forest, enhancing the charm of their wooded habitat. The Eurasian nuthatch, Sitta europaea, is a remarkable bird that brings life, color, and delight to the forests of Europe. Its unique appearance, acrobatic behavior, and resilient nature make it a cherished resident of woodlands year-round. However, like many other birds, it faces challenges due to habitat loss and environmental changes. As we admire the charismatic Eurasian nuthatch, we should also consider the importance of preserving its woodland habitats. By protecting these forests and woodlands, we ensure that this delightful avian gem and countless other species continue to thrive and enchant us for generations to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below. See you next time.